Hey, Zane here with Zane's Tech Blog, and today we are going to be installing the Starlink, which is pretty cool. Ordered it a while back to get into the beta program, just haven't had a chance to get out to the cabin to put it in. So I'm excited to see what it looks like. Let's take a look inside the box. All right, so it ships in this pretty simple gray box. We open it up, we've got the instructions, which are basically download the app, point it at the sky, plug it in, connect to the Wi-Fi. So we'll see if it's really that easy, hopefully. All right, we get inside to the good stuff. Here's a tripod that I'm not going to be able to use. A power injector. A router, and a long cable to connect from the dish all the way back. So let's see if we can move this out of the way. Get to that shiny, magical dish. It's got a little weight to it. So back up a bit. All in the image. So there we go. Gonna be putting it up on the roof. I've got an old dish mount I'm gonna try and reuse here. It's nice, good patina. And yeah, so next part's getting up there, getting that mount put on the roof, putting the dish up and seeing how it works. All right, so here's my basic supplies for this next step. Got a little rubber pad that I'm putting under the mount, and then I'm just gonna seal the crap out of it. Hopefully not have any roof leaks. That would be bad. So, and then some pretty heavy bolts and washers. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so here it is on the roof. You can see I was very generous with the sealer. It actually busted a hole in the back of the tube. So I got it everywhere, but hey, better than a leak, right? So I've got the cable running down. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit, run it into the house and see how it works. All right, so I decided to do a quick test outside before I pull everything in and just make sure it's working. It looks to be. I haven't got on the Wi-Fi yet to try it out, but you know, the connectors are pretty straightforward. Here's a power brick. White side goes to the router, black side goes up to the dish, which when I powered it on, started moving around, trying to find a signal, looks like, so hopefully we're in good shape. Well, the outdoor test went well enough that I'm ready to start cleaning things up a bit and going to the inside. I got about 70 megabits down and between 15 and 20 up. Which right off the bat is way better than I had out here. So I will take it, thankfully. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put some wire management in, clean up the run on the way down to the ground, and then set it up inside. All right, so I finished the install and it's looking good. Throughput's coming in at about 130 megs down and about 15 megs up. Latency, 55 milliseconds, so not bad for satellite. Actually really, really good. So I'm very happy with how things have turned out. I'm dirty and tired, and so I'm gonna call it a wrap. But as always, thanks for watching, and if you want to watch me do more random tech stuff that I just happen to be doing, give me a follow down below. If you've got your own Starlink story or you know, just want to share, do so in the comments. Thanks. Have a great one.